Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Ashimary once again. It's the same packaging as before, very clean, professional, and put together. So of course the first thing I'm seeing is the wig, which we're gonna get into, and then we got a bunch of goodies. I've got a wide tooth comb, I got a bonnet, I got a robe, always come in so handy, and then there's a drawstring bag with more goodies. I get this elastic band as well as an edge brush and comb. There's some lace tapes if you want to apply that to your glueless wig. There are pins. There's also this pack of cluster lashes. They're a bunch of different lengths, so that's gonna come in handy. A wig cap and then an information card. Now this is today's wig. It is a ombre kind of like highlighted vibe going on, and this is a completely glueless pre-style wear and go wig. This comes style for you guys. It is a drawstring cap construction as well, as you can see. So this is perfect for my beginners. It has a adjustable elastic band on the inside of the cap. It is also a medium cap size, and I'm loving it. Even though this is processed, it doesn't feel like coarse. It has that nice silky feel to it. And look at those curls. This is the most gorgeous body wave 18-inch wig. Yes, it's 18 inches long. Oh my God. This is me just slipping the wig on and adjusting it. I know you're like, are they serious? They can't be serious. This is too good. This is actually flawless. Okay, only thing needs a little shaping because you know it was in the box. It's just the top here, which is so easy to fix. Like, they are joking. Go ahead and check my description box for the specific density and all the other specifications. No, I was just adjusting the wig here with the drawstring, but let me tell you, you saw the clip a while ago. I was so excited about this wig. The fact that I took this out of the package and it was ready to go. Like, there's barely anything for you to do. As you saw, it's just a little indentation in the front there. That's all that I needed to just fix, and that's it. I didn't have to recurl a thing. These curls come perfectly done for you already, okay? So if you're looking for the wig that you really don't have to put any work into, I'm telling you, it comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-styled. This is it. I love how Ashimary has been providing these kind of options. Like, they've been, I'm feeling myself. Yeah, they've been eating with the quality of wigs that they're providing, okay? And the fact that they're so versatile, so you could go ahead and you could, you know, style this different ways if you wish. So I'm just going to do a simple updo here. Nothing crazy. I took my claw clip. You could just, you know, it's easier to watch. I mean, it's not much to it at all. My breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. Once I'm done, I just unravel that and I just rock it out. It's beautiful. It's a 10 out of 10. I absolutely love it. I kind of just played around with it to create even more volume in the hair. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I
off the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing.
But yeah, that's it. It's not much to it at all. Absolutely no adhesive needed. This is gonna be great for the spring and summertime. I went ahead and I linked it in my description box. So if you want to go ahead and grab this wig for yourself, that's where you can find it. Shout out to Ashimary for today's gorgeous wig look. That's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, like this video, share this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.